How to use active learning for exam preparation. Are you ready to transform your study sessions into something more engaging and effective? Let's talk about how to use active learning for exam preparation. Active learning means getting involved with the material instead of just reading or listening. It's about processing, questioning, and applying what you learn to improve your understanding and memory. To get started, prepare before your study sessions. Preview the material to understand the topics and concepts. This could mean reading summaries, lecture slides, or textbook chapters ahead of time. Write down questions or points that interest you to guide your focus. Creating an outline or framework can also help organize your notes and thoughts. This preparation primes your brain to absorb information better and cuts down on distractions. Next, engage actively during your study time. Try explaining concepts in your own words, either out loud or in writing. This helps you check your understanding. You can also use the Feynman Technique, which involves teaching the material as if to someone who knows nothing about it. This will help you spot any gaps in your knowledge that you need to revisit. Using flashcards is another great way to quiz yourself and promote active recall. Write questions on one side and answers on the other. This method reinforces memory effectively. Additionally, drawing concept maps or diagrams can help you visually connect ideas and see the bigger picture. For subjects that involve numbers, try solving practical problems or applying concepts to real-world examples. Taking effective notes during lectures or while reading is also important. You might want to use shorthand or a note-taking system like the Cornell method to capture key points efficiently. After studying, review and reinforce what you have learned. Use spaced repetition by revisiting the material multiple times over increasing intervals. For example, review the material the day after learning it, then 3 days later, and again a week later. Practice active recall by testing yourself with past exam questions or quizzes instead of just rereading your notes. Simulating exam conditions can also help. Time yourself and find a quiet space to work, which will help you feel more comfortable and reduce anxiety. Remember to take smart breaks, like using the Pomodoro method, where you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Finally, reflect and adjust your study methods. After each session, think about what you understood well and what needs more work. Adjust your techniques based on what works best for you, as different active learning strategies may suit different learning styles. By actively involving yourself in the learning process, questioning, explaining, testing, and applying, you move beyond passive reading. This not only improves your exam performance but also helps you develop skills for lifelong learning.